This 2023 Chinook Bayside TB is a Class B RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Fretz RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Chinook is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2 and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features rear bath. This 2023 Chinook Bayside TB is built on a Ford Transit chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Fretz RV.